Bartle share 5 ways to best utilize your experience as a data analyst. You can take the data analysis skills from this article and apply them using the tools you are learning or those that are appropriate for the industry you are trying to enter. If you want to learn how and develop the technical skills you need to successfully land a data analyst job, check out our interactive online data analytics courses. At DataQuest, our data scientist learning paths take you through all of these skills in a logical sequence, so each skill builds on the previous one so you don't have to worry about what to learn next. From the comfort of your web browser, you will write real code to analyze real data while learning interactively using our proven approach. While you don't necessarily need the advanced math skills required of a data scientist, the use of formulas and operations will be essential in your daily work. In their daily work, data analysts can use many of the tools developed by data scientists. For high-tech roles, an important part of the job can be building the actual data collection infrastructure, as well as maintaining databases and using programming languages to run equations. On a typical day, a data analyst might use SQL skills to extract data from a corporate database, use programming skills to analyze that data, and then use communication skills to communicate their findings to a wider audience. Once you have the required data from the database using SQL, it's time to really parse that data for the project you're working on. You will then need to transform and analyze the data to answer this question. To get the data from the database in the format needed for analysis, you need to think logically and carefully about the queries you write. Without SQL, you won't be able to access the data you need for serious analysis. Using data to find answers to your questions means figuring out what to ask first, which is often quite difficult. The art of analysis lies in your ability to ask big questions, and you can ask such questions only if you have sufficient basic knowledge in this area. While you should always be prepared for general interview questions, there are analyst-specific questions that you should practice beforehand. If you want to stand out from the competition for a data analyst job, join the interview with persuasive answers about your skills, knowledge of database programs, and ability to work in a rapidly changing environment. Whether you're into numerical and data analysis, gathering meaningful insights to create a solid business strategy, or you love to explore data to protect your clients' interests, you'll need to stand out from the crowd to get your data. Interviews with analysts to move forward in your career as an analyst. While not all analysts will work on machine learning projects, a general understanding of the related tools and concepts can give you an edge over your competitors when looking for work. While not all analysts work with machine learning, it is important to be aware of the tools and concepts in order to move forward in this field. Since artificial intelligence and predictive analytics are two of the hottest topics in data science, understanding machine learning has been identified as a key component of an analyst's toolbox. Although machine learning is not a skill like data cleaning or learning a programming language, understanding it can help you become competitive in hiring data analysts. Knowing what skills you need to get into analytics and get started with data is key to advancing your career in data analytics. Don't forget the importance of honing your critical thinking skills in preparation for a career in data analysis. You need to take your love of data home and explain why you are doing analytics as a career. Let's say you have expressed interest in a career in data analytics, completed the course, and are now ready to apply for a job. Once the hiring manager understands your level of experience, he will start asking about your preferences in the world of data analysis. Hiring managers use these data analytics interview questions primarily to measure your level of knowledge, as well as to get a better idea of the data analytics process and an overview of your job responsibilities. When hiring an open data analyst, the interviewer uses targeted questions to determine the skill level of candidates in these areas. Employers ask potential data analyst interview questions to assess whether your skills, personality, and work style are the right fit. Scanning job postings for data-driven positions is a great place to start, but many analyst roles are very nuanced, making it difficult to know which skills to invest in the most. One of the most popular analytics tools is Excel, which means you're more likely to be asked how familiar you are with it when interviewing for this type of position. When talking about data analysis projects that you have worked on in class or at work, it is important to mention the tools you use to perform this analysis. Using tools to interpret data. Statistical programs are an important part of any analyst's toolbox. Data analysis is the process of transforming data to reveal information useful for drawing a conclusion or making a decision. In healthcare, analysts use patient records, clinical trial data, insurance claims data, and other information to improve patient care and improve health outcomes. They use this data to help the company evaluate market share, product price, time to sale, transportation cost optimization, and the like. They take this original form of data and translate it into meaningful information that their employer can use to their strategic advantage. The answer to this particular question is that data mining provides raw information and models, while data mining makes sense of these results through critical thinking. Within the framework of the program, you will master the necessary technical skills in the field of data mining, storage, and visualization. If you'd like to learn more about the technical skills you need to advance your data analytics career, visit the Columbia Engineering Data Analytics Bootcamp.